Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file and panicked? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files on any device, whether it's a computer, smartphone, or tablet, in just a few minutes. Stick around to the end, and I'll share a bonus tip to prevent file loss in the future. Let's start with Windows. If you've deleted a file recently, the first place to check is the Recycle bin. Simply double-click the Recycle bin icon on your desktop. Look for the file, right-click it, and select Restore. But what if it's not there? Here's where recovery software comes in. Download a free tool like Recuva. Open the program, select the drive where the file was located, and let it scan. Once the scan is done, you can preview and recover your file. For Mac users, the process is similar. First, check your trash. Click the trash icon in your dock. Find the file, right-click, and choose Put Back. If it's not there, you can use Time Machine, Mac's built-in backup tool. Connect your Time Machine drive. Open the folder where the file was stored, and click the Time Machine icon. Scroll back to the date when the file existed, select it, and hit Restore. No backups? You can try third-party tools like Disk Drill for Mac recovery. Now let's talk about smartphones. For Android and iPhone, deleted files often go to a trash folder first. On Android, open the app where the file was stored, like Google Photos for pictures. Then, go to the trash or recently deleted folder and restore it. On iPhone, open the Photos app, tap Albums, and scroll to Recently Deleted. Tap the file and select Recover. If the file isn't in the trash, you can use recovery tools like Dr. Phone or iMobi Phone Rescue for iPhone and Easus Mobi Saver for Android. These tools require connecting your phone to a computer, so make sure you follow their instructions carefully. If you use cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, or OneDrive, recovering deleted files is a breeze. Open your cloud app, or go to the website. Look for the Trash or Deleted Files section. Find your file and hit Restore. Most cloud services keep deleted files for 30 days, so don't wait too long to recover them. To avoid losing files in the future, follow these tips. Back up regularly using external drives or cloud services like Google Drive or iCloud. Enable version history, as many apps let you revert to older versions of files. Act fast because the sooner you try to recover a file, the higher the chances of success. And that's it. Recovering deleted files doesn't have to be stressful if you know where to look and which tools to use. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. See you next time.